Kenya is currently experiencing drought in nearly half of its 47 counties. According to Devolution and Planning Cabinet Secretary Mwangi Kiunjuri, approximately 1.3 million people are in dire need of food. This is despite the fact that there are at least 7 national irrigation schemes across the country. The national irrigation schemes are Pakera, Hola, Mwea, Bunyala, Ahero, Bura, West Kano, and the recently established Galana Kulalo scheme. 4 of these irrigation schemes are situated in some of the worst heat drought regions. Currently, the national stores have only 731,000 bags of maize, yet 4 million bags are needed to curb the ongoing starvation. During Kenya's 2015-2016 fiscal year budget, 15 billion shillings was allocated to irrigation projects and land cultivation schemes. In August 2016, the National Treasury released 250 million shillings to the State Department of Special Programs for emergency relief food. In October 2016 alone, the ministry has dispatched 3,500 bags of maize, 2,700 bags of beans, 10,000 bags of rice, and 1,000 cartons of vegetable oil to arid and semi-arid areas. The number of irrigation schemes keeps growing, but hunger still persists, especially during the dry season. As at September 2016, multiple irrigation projects were underway in 34 counties. What theory informs the decision makers? Why is Kenya still food insecure despite having numerous irrigation schemes?